Every product wants video, onboarding clips, course content, creator uploads, live events, and almost none of them want to build the back end that makes video work. Because shipping video isn't one feature, it's a whole stack. Object storage, resumable uploads, transcoding to every resolution, a delivery tier, a CDN, then access control, analytics, billing, and DRM bolted on top. You stitch it across a dozen vendors, wire up the edge cases, and at the end of it, you don't even own the result. You're locked in. And here's the strange part. Web3 already has every piece of that pipeline. Live peer transcodes, Theta handles delivery, Walrus and Shelby store the bytes, decentralized and durable. But the layer that actually turns all of that into a product, ownership, payments, and access control, nobody ships it. The infrastructure exists. The product doesn't. That's the gap WalrusStreamKit fills. One SDK for the entire pipeline, built on Walrus and Sui, the developer experience of Mux, with the ownership model of a blockchain. One call takes you the whole way. Upload, store, deliver, own, monetize, gate. Not 6 services you integrate, one path you call. And from your back end, it really is just a few lines. You hand it a file and mark it paid. Behind that single call, it's transcoded into streaming segments, stored on Walrus, and registered as an asset on Sui. No transcoding farm, no storage buckets, no video infrastructure to operate. 3 workflows, 1 consistent path. Standard video on demand, uploaded and playing in seconds. Paid and encrypted, every segment locked and gated by seal. And pseudo-live broadcast, a near real-time stream that finalizes into a durable recording the moment it ends. Underneath, the responsibilities split cleanly. Sui is the control plane. It owns identity, policy, and payments. Walrus is the data plane. It holds the bytes, and Seal manages the keys. Your backend signs and pays for publishing. The viewer signs with their own wallet, and a hosted relayer carries the bandwidth and the caching, without ever touching your keys or your custody. This is what makes a video truly owned. Playback starts locked, the viewer pays on-chain, and that payment goes straight to the creator, no platform skimming the middle. Seal verifies the grant, releases the content key, and only then does the stream decrypt and play. Payment and the key, both enforced on-chain, not by us. So your video isn't a row in someone else's database sitting behind someone else's paywall. It's an on-chain asset that you control, own it, sell it, gate it. No custodian, no lock-in. And this isn't a concept video. Cold reads come back from Walrus in about 2.5 seconds. Storage lands at parity with S3. Upload, playback, and payment. All proven end-to-end on real infrastructure. It's live on Sui testnet today. Contracts deployed, test green, the full loop, upload, play, and pay. Working now. Mux-style developer experience, on-chain ownership, and no lock-in. We wanted to actually show you guys what WalrusStreamKit can do, so we built you a full showcase app on top of it. And the whole point is, it looks and feels like a video app you already know. A feed, channels, uploads, the works, but everything you're seeing is running on our SDK underneath. Every video is stored on Walrus and owned on Sui. You can watch anything, and it streams straight off decentralized storage. You can upload your own, and it gets stored on Walrus in real time. And the paid videos are properly locked. You pay once, on-chain, straight to the creator, and Seal hands over the key so it decrypts and plays. And the part we're proud of, all of that is just a handful of SDK calls. The app's just one example. The SDK is the product, and we've written you full docs to build your own. That's WalrusStreamKit. Hope you like it. WalrusStreamKit. Developer-first video infrastructure. Own it, sell it, gate it.